Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you watching Momy Tech. So friend, today I am going to tell you how to you recording your voice during screen recording. So without wasting your time, let's start. First of all, friend, select screen recorder. See friend, will appear. Press. See friend, screen recorder open. So friend, select friend, select the microphone and then microphone, press microphone on. See friend, now you edit your voice during screen recorder. Hopefully this video is helpful for you when you screen recording next time. So if you like this video, then share this video, subscribe my channel, press bell icon so that my next video notification received to you. So friend, thanks for watching.